welcome back to my channel. Back again with me, Bo. As you guys can see, this video is all red colors. I'm wearing red jacket, red eyeshadows, red lip, but kind of different shade, different tone. I add some dot, like 3 dot, because I think it's a bit fun. It's not like too plain, you know. So if you guys ready for this look, you guys gonna subscribe first. Let's roll. Hi guys, so today I'm gonna do voiceover. So first of all, we put the primer on the face and then foundation by Colourpop. I use a brush, just blend it everywhere. Eye primer by Essence. Yes. And spoolie, brush up my brow with the Kate brow pencil. I feel like this color is a bit lighter, but that's okay. And I will use the kind of color to brush to blend everything together. Now I'm using the tape to make everything look sharp, you know, and I will put this blush on my eyes. It's like creamy things, and then this lipstick from Too Faced, I believe. Yes, I'm gonna blend it out. I actually put a little bit too much on the other corner, but yeah, that's fine. Yeah, and that's how I blend like that, and I will put the rest on my lips, because why not, you know. And yeah, I dab it out because I put it too much, obviously. And then Colourpop, I apply it on the middle of my eyes and then in the corner with the brighter orangey colors like that. And then the matte one to contour my crease, let's say, and the darker color on my eyelash liner and also the crease. Sharpening my eyes with Kat 1D eyeliner. This tape helped me so much to make everything sharper, you know. You will see at the end. So yeah, that's how I do it. And I will use NYX to, yeah, make a 3 dots, you know, just for fun. Why not, right? And then I put eyelash, and this fun part is here to untape it. There you go. And then I will touch up using the concealer again. And then I will put the powder. Today I'm not gonna bake my face because, you know, I'm not going out, but if you guys want to, do it. And then I will put the lipstick, but oops, I forgot to put lip liner first. So yeah, I'm fixing it right now. I will put Too Faced just on the middle part to kind of contour my lips a little bit, and then I will use NYX. This one is kind of shimmery texture. I'm using the contour, of course. On the side of my nose and under my lips. And I will touch up with lips liner again. And I will use the lighter color, just use my finger, dab it like that. And check if my tea is all clean. And then just my blush a little bit. Of course, Fenty Golden Trophy, White Trophy. I don't know what's the name. And I put it everywhere. But for the nose, I will use the different highlighter because it's not too greedily for that. Then I will section my hair just like that and tie it back, you know, make it neat. Zip it up like that. And I guess I'm done. Ooh, okay, I hope you guys like this look. And let's see you guys on the outro. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. If you guys have any questions, just comment down below. You can subscribe me, follow me on Instagram. Subscribe, like, press the bell icon, and see you on next video. Thank you so much for watching. Love all of y'all, and see you on next video.